people of the world, I greet every one of you. ANYI ABIA. Do you know what is trending everywhere, especially online? Sex before marriage. But we are here, we Igbo class world, we the ANYI ABIA, we are here to condemn it. We are here to abolish it. How are we going to do it? We are going to do it with this our platform, with this our avenue, because since ever we started doing premarital sex before marriage, friend to marry, it hasn't benefited any of us. It hasn't benefited any of us because God said in his holy book that you should not commit adultery, you should not fornicate. God knows everything. God is so intelligent. God knows everything, that God is saving us, but we don't know. We want to disobey God. We want to go before God. God knows everything, that he's going to save you pains of killings, pains of savings, pains of contacting diseases, pains of abortion, pains of childlessness, pains of not getting married early. That is what God is trying to prevent, to save you from heartbreak, from one man to another, from one woman to another. God is trying to prevent us from all those calamities. We refuse. We want to go back from where our father stopped. The way our forefathers, the way of our fathers, we want to go back. We want to get married nowadays from recommendation upon recommendation. It works for them. It works for them. You can't see childlessness. You can't see divorce during their own. The divorce that's full everywhere. Too much divorce that is rampant nowadays is not there then. But they are living by recommendation. They don't know each other, but people have to recommend them. Sometimes they come from one village, people recommend them. So we want to start recommending people. And what we are going to build here and produce is that we want to produce virgins, because our men, they are complaining that they don't see virgins anymore. There is nowhere you will see virgin anymore. It's because of that premarital sex before marriage. Who are causing it? Who are to be blamed? I don't know who is the blame. Is it from our men or our women? Who are causing it? Who are to be blamed? I don't know. But what I want to say, that if you have made a mistake, don't worry. God will heal you. God will bless you. God will restore you, as long as you make amends from today. So we want to live by recommendation. Our men, I want to advise you, zip up. Our women, our ladies, our girls, I want to advise you, zip up. Live by recommendation. By the time our forefathers live and our fathers, they recommend them and they are living happily. They produce, they fill the earth. They stay till God put them apart. But now that we refuse and we disobey God and say that we are going to do sex after before marriage, we are going to recommend by ourselves, we are going to do friend before marriage. That is totally wrong. In our culture, in our forefathers, they don't do like that. They don't behave in that manner, and they are living happy and they are progressing, and there is no divorce then. But now divorce and divorcee and divorce and divorcees, they full everywhere. Why you are recommending by yourself? Do you know what we are going to do? Each time we do matchmaker, each time we see us write matchmaker, what you are going to do is that you are going to match yourself. We are going to give you a little privilege to match yourselves. Anytime you see us doing the program and we wrote matchmakers, know that it's time to match yourself. What you are going to do, what are you going to do? Write your age, write your sex, write your location, if possible, write your job, write your state. And your partner will locate you in the comment section. And when he locates you in the comment section, then you go and chat privately. After chatting privately, you exchange pictures, exchange telephone numbers. Then you have to do your own investigation. Do your own investigation, know the surname, know where the person is coming from, know the village, know his father's name, know his father. Go there and ask questions. Then if he's the one that you will go ahead and marry the person. That is the same thing. And you do a little courtship, and as you are doing courtship, never you touch. Is that against our law? Is that against our rule? Never you touch each other. Just zip up. Eat by looking, judge by looking. Use your eyes wisely, but never you touch. Never you touch, because it will lead us to calamity. It will lead us to heartbreak. It will lead us for lack of money, loss of money, because you spend a lot when you are doing that friend to marry. And when you contract disease, you use your money throughout your life to be seeking for hospital care, to be seeking for medical care. You use your money throughout the life. Is it benefiting you? No, it's not benefiting you. God knows everything and say that we should put a stop to it, that we should not try it anymore. That we should not try it at all, not anymore. Yes, dear people, it's going to save you from heartbreak. It's going to save you from childlessness. It's going to save you from killings, which is abortion. It is going to save you a lot. If you have made mistake, don't worry yourself. Don't cry. Wipe your tears. God is going to heal you. God is going to rebuild you and give you your missing rib, and you will be happily ever. You will be married, happily married ever. Listen and listen good. Take this advice. It will benefit you. So we promise that any marriage that clicked or hooked in this our platform, and they discovered and confirmed that they are virgin, we are going to sponsor their marriage, to show example, to encourage people to preserve themselves. Because since ever we refuse and disobey God and say that we are going to be doing friend to marry, it hasn't benefited us. Rather, it put us into tears. It put us into regrets. Ndị ụmụ nwanne, ka m gwa unu n'onu unu ji ga-amụta wee nụrụ. A na-agwa unu na platform anyị etinyere matchmaker. Dee sex gị, location gị. Anyị achọzi ka unu mee ọyị ahụ, maka since emebela ọyị ahụ, o favor onye ọbụla. O favor onye ọbụla. Divorce dụrụ ebe niile, childlessness dụrụ ebe niile, tears, ego, and spend. Imene invest in onye mara ma ị ga-anụ ma ịma nnu ya. Ọ bụ ihe anyị na-akọndem ndị ibe anyị fa na-eme encourage, mana anyị siri mba. Anyị bịa ka anyị mee ihe ndị ada eme. Anyị bịa ka eme ihe ndị ada eme. Nya bụ anyị apụtago Igbo class word. Ọ bụ anyị na-akụzili ụmụaka anyị Igbo kwa Saturday na ụka. Anyị na-akụzili fi Igbo. Nya bụ ọ bụ na nwa ga-ebidobere deela anyị edemede, anyị ga-anabata gị. Anyị ga-anabata nwa gị ka ọ sụọ Igbo dịka nwa afọ Igbo. Nya bụ anyị na-eme ọdịmma ndị Igbo. Onye nwere ntị ya nụrụ. Ọ dị mma bụrụ ihe ziri ezi bụ ihe anyị na-agwa unu. Onye nụrụ ya, ọ ga-abalị ya, ọ ga-adịrị ya na mma, maka na ọka ndị nna nna anyị fasi wee bi. Anyị na-akwado asụsụ na omenala Igbo na ọdịnala Igbo na ntọala Igbo. Ọ bụ ihe anyị na-akwado na peji anyị. Anyị na-emekwa ọdịmma ndị Igbo. Anyị fụkwa ihe ga-abalị ụmụ nwanne anyị tinyekwa. Ọ bụ ya ka anyị si ka anyị gwa unu. Ndewonu, ka emesịanụ, ka ọ dị n'oge ọzọ.